Hello, today I'm in Skoda Superb B. In this video I'll show you how to use voice commands. In the beginning you can use it by pressing this button right here on the steering wheel or voice button right here. So let's press it. And now say the commands you see on the screen.
Pardon?
For example, let's select station heat radio.
Call contact. The telephone menu is currently unavailable.
Enter address.
Please say the full address, starting with the city.
Kraków.
Did you mean Krakow?
Okay, Krakow.
Kropor. Please say the name of the street.
Center.
Would you like to start route guidance to the center of Kropor?
Yes.
The routes are being calculated.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.